There are also differences in machining accuracy between different machining processes. Hello everyone, I'm Alisa. In order to avoid misjudging the precise machining accuracy and affecting the product's function and service life, in this video, I will discuss with you how to choose correct machining processes to ensure that the product meets precision requirements. Let's get started. Under the condition of rough machining without reducing the cutting speed, the turning accuracy can only reach IT11, and the surface roughness is I20 to 10 micron, which is only suitable for the machining of standard parts, such as ordinary bones and pins. Semi-precision machining grades are generally IT8 to IT7. Using high speed and small feed rate and cutting depths. The precision range of precision turning is between IT5 and IT7, and the surface roughness is 1.6 to 0.8 micron, which is suitable for the machining of high-precision shaft parts such as motor spindles and sporting parts. Milling is suitable for machining special surfaces such as planes, grooves, and various formed surfaces. It's also the most widely used machining process. Compared with turning, the machining accuracy of milling is more complex. It involves the coordinate work of multiple motion axes X, Y, Z, and the rotation axis A, B, C. The machining accuracy levels of milling are usually IT10 to IT8 for conventional milling, IT9 to IT7 for semi-precision milling, IT7 to IT6 for precision milling, and higher than IT6 for high-precision milling. Among them, high-precision milling machining has the highest requirements, which not only requires high-precision machines, but also need to meet environmental requirements such as constant temperature workshops and earthquake-proof foundations. Hole machining is often done on drilling machines and lines, but also be done on boring machines or milling machines. But the range of machining accuracy often varies greatly. For example, drilling accuracy may only be IT11 to IT10, while fine boring can achieve accuracy of IT7 to IT6. At the same time, when machining home parts, the initial machining process often leaves an controllable error range. Wait for the workpiece to cool, or perform surface treatment before finishing to control the error within 0.005 mm. Grounding is the final process to achieve the highest dimensional accuracy, optimal geometry, and the best surface quality. The precision can reach IT8 to IT5 or even higher, and the surface roughness is 0.1 to 0.8 micron. Because the precision is much higher than turning, milling, and other machining types, so grounding is often used for parts with high reliability, extreme high temperature, and high pressure requirements, such as aerospace equipment, medical equipment, etc. Therefore, in order to ensure that the product meets precision requirements, it's essential to choose the correct machining process. Machines and equipment that can meet the machining precision, years of machining experience, and the ability to optimize design solutions. Over the years, Longhua, as a solution provider, has been committed to improving production efficiency, perfecting machining links, and enhancing the technical level of operators. By continuously improving these details, Longhua has also stand out among many machining companies. If you have any related machining projects and questions, please contact us. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and continue to follow. This is Longhua. I'm Alisa. See you next video. Bye!